Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about which programming language should you learn first. Okay? So I think you guys confused about which language or which programming language to learn first. Is this Java? Is this Python? Is this JavaScript? Oh, stop overthinking. In this video, I will give you the simple answer. Okay, so step one, the biggest mistake. What is it? Most beginner do this mistake. What kind of mistake? They keep searching. Okay, best programming language. They keep searching best programming language, top language in 2026, like this. They are going to search and they never start. They never ever start. Truth is, there is no perfect language. The best language is the one you actually start learning. Okay, so if you are a complete beginner, okay, if you are complete a beginner and you just started, so start with Python. Why? You need to start with Python. Why? Python is easy to read, and it has simple syntax, beginner friendly, used in many fields. Okay, in AI, I mean in machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, and we are going. In overall world, everybody is going to build AI tools. Okay, for example, ChatGPT, Cloudy, Microsoft Designer. Okay, so there is a lots of things already built in AI. Okay, so AI is in boom in current era, so you should focus on Python. You can focus here only logic in Python. Okay, not confusing code. And next step is when to choose JavaScript. If your goal is website or front end or freelancing, then start with JavaScript because runs in a browser and it is in high demand. It is going to run in a browser and it is in high demand and fast result. You can build real project quickly with the help of JavaScript. And next step, what about C++ or Java? If you are in college or preparing for competition programming like DSA, placement, then you can choose C++ or Java. But remember, they are harder for beginner. So don't get stuck. Keep it simple. Okay? And next step is what actually matter. Language doesn't matter as much you think. What matters is logic, problem solving, consistency. If you learn one language properly, you can learn other easily. Okay, so I'm giving you simple roadmap. So here, what you should do: pick one language, learn basics, build a small project, stay consistent. Don't switch every week. Okay, and if you are going to switch every week, then that is the biggest mistake of you. Okay, so don't wait for perfect choice. Start today. Even 1 hour daily is enough. In 3 to 6 months you will see the real progress. So stop searching and start coding. Okay guys, so if you like my video, please do subscribe. Bye bye, take care, see you in next video.